Why do you post every day when you barely get 100 likes?
100 likes means 100 people took the time to watch something I created. That may seem small to you, but it
Meron pa ba?
motivates me.
Ito,
I
marami
know
pa
my
rin eh.
audience is out there, and when they find me, they will support me.
Ang basura.
Ito po ma'am, mayroon pa po.
Marami ditong butas.
Dito.
Picture, sir. Ayan, to.
Ano to linya ng tubig?
Oo.
Video mo ko.
Dito po, sir, kayo.
Ganda yung lupa niya. Buo. Iba sa buo.
Weng.
Lalagyan na lang.
Wait lang ah.